Welcome to the first guided tour of Anuga FoodTec organized by Koelnmesse and Machine Maker. This is the first time Koelnmesse is introducing the guided tour, which normally happens in Germany. We are going to 4 stalls. We will start with Tetra Pak, Vanmark, and then we will be going finally to Vedic Pac Systems. And finally, once this complete tour is over, we will take your feedback.
We cater to all the processing solutions, starting for the category of dressings and condiments, ready to eat, spreads and dips, and then dessert category, bakery fillings, non-dairy creams, coconut, all the processing for the prepared food and also the packaging we cover. So you start from dressings and condiments, so all types of sauces, emulsified, non-emulsified, the cooking sauces, the dessert category where you have the sweets, fruit preparations. We are providing the processing solutions and packaging solutions. Yes.
You have a full packed food program.
So everything, all end to end.
Jam preparation system.
Yes, machine.
Pre-mixing on the.
Yes, exactly. Yes. So we can have a complete end-to-end solution for jam, where you can do your recipe development and do the trial as per your requirement. It's a vacuum-based system.
You want non-kettle?
You want the open kettle kind of. We normally have the closed one.
After Tetra Pak, now we are at Myanmar.
For guiding such food requirement process equipments in all the 3 stalls, it's really a very good experience and found some good insights based on our requirements. So keep continuing the same. Okay, this is a new initiative and I hope all the best.
We deal with some of the large food processing equipment manufacturers of the country, of the globe, like Tomra, Vanmark, Fab, and other companies. I've seen your guided tour for food processing. The concept looks very fascinating, and I think it's a great initiative. But again, coming down to the practicality of this whole process being successful, my feeling is that you got to target who my potential customers are, because we do a significant amount of work in the potato chip industry, in the French fry industry, potato flakes, potato being one of the significant players, whether it's to do with Tomra, Vanmark or FAM. We also work in the IQF industry. We also work in the dehydration industry. And our forte is basically to do peeling, cutting and sorting of food processing products. And if we can have target customers who are looking for these type of solutions, and if they could be a part of the guided tour, and that's going to bring in a lot of incentive for us as well as for the people who are participating in this tour.
We are very excited to be part of this show. It's known that food and beverage sector is an evergreen sector, and we expect a lot of growth from this sector in the years to come.
A very nice and novel concept by Anuga FoodTec and Machine Maker. They have come together, the guided tour concept, where visitors are actually taken to specific stands which meet their requirement, so that time is efficiently spent. They can meet exhibitors where the requirement and the supplier and the buyer actually have a very focused meeting. A nice and novel concept which should be encouraged more and more. I'm wishing them all the best. It's the first I've come across, and we've been exhibiting in Anuga for the last 18 years since inception. It's a nice way to go ahead.
Guided tour was really informative and communicative, I would say. It was a lot of interaction. We had explained about our portfolio and our products and categories that we are catering to. I think we had some good questions from the visitors. So it was quite interactive and a good informative session.
Visiting this exhibition like almost third time, and this guided tour food processing is a very good initiative because you can exactly reach somebody want what kind of product, so you can guide them properly. This is very good initiative taken by your company.